everyone, this is me Noor here from Mentors Academy. We are here to present a lecture number 22, which is the smallest and which is the easiest topic that I really excited to discuss about it, because this is a new terminology. You guys should know, you guys will know about it, that what is basically the nearly left means. Basically we are using most probably in our daily life के मैं ये काम करते करते रह गया, like we need to do this or we have to do this, we want it कि हाँ हम ये काम कर लेंगे, but circumstances कुछ ऐसे आ जाते हैं हमारी डेली लाइफ में कि हम वो काम करते करते रह जाते हैं, like वो काम कंप्लीट अपनी पोजीशन पे नहीं पहुंच पाता. So that is the reason we are using the most common भी कह सकते हैं, because in Pakistan there this terminology is shortly used, but in abroad this terminology mostly commonly used in their native countries and languages. So basically for this, the formula is subject nearly left topic, right? ing first form के साथ जब ing put करेंगे तो it will become fourth form of the verb, right? If you don't know about fourth form, नहीं पता आपको किसी मतलब first form पता है, like you know for example आपको ये पता है कि awake, right? Awake is the first form, ठीक है, जागना, but you don't know कि awake की fourth form क्या है, so you just put ing in the end of the awake, automatically fourth form बन जाएगी. And then object. For examples, there are 5 examples that I have made and written on the board. You can make your examples and show me and do comments, and I will check it, right? So for the first example, for nearly left is he nearly left calling me. वो मुझे कॉल करते करते रह गया, right? वो मुझे कॉल करना चाहता था और वो मतलब कर भी रहा था, बट करते करते कुछ ऐसा हो गया कि वो मुझे कॉल करते करता रह गया. And for the second example is she nearly left bringing food. वो खाना लाते लाते रह गई, right? वो खाना लाते लाते रह गई. The third example for nearly left is they nearly left copying their assignments. वो अपने assignments copy करते करते रह गए, right? Because बहुत सारे लोगों की बात हो रही है, that is the reason we are using रह गए. Fourth example for lecture number 22, which is all about nearly left, is I nearly left going there. मैं वहाँ जाते जाते रह गया. The last example is it nearly left raining here. यहाँ बारिश होते होते रह गई. यहाँ क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैंने पहले there कहा था. there का मतलब होता है वहाँ, here का मतलब होता है यहाँ. That is the reason you can change your verb, you can change your main subject, you can change the verb form. It will make your sentence more compatible as per your partner, as per the other class and other class students. This is the lecture number 22. I'll appreciate that you will be make the I'll appreciate you will make your examples and just tell me in the comment and do comment, and I'll be checking what are you guys making the example for nearly not. Thank you so much.